Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am just going to teach you some important topics of class 7 chemistry and the name of this chapter is metals and non-metals. So you can see that the topic is written over here and the topic is the uses of metals. So worldwide the number of metals are found and it is not possible to discuss the properties and uses of all the metals, but I am just going to discuss the properties of some metals which is very important, and the rest of the uses of metals you can see at your book. So first metal and properties and uses, all the things I am going to discuss. So worldwide and the most important metal is the iron. So let us see what is the property of iron and how it is utilized. So normally iron, everyone has just observed the iron. It is a silver and grey color metal. आपने सबने देखा है और it is high strength metal. इसकी जो useful होती है वो बहुत useful होता है and since last many years it is utilized. Now अब इसका utilize कहाँ होता है? So iron is using for making pipes. It is used for making pipes, as you all know. It is also used for making furniture, which is very important. Some alloy of iron is also used for making the utensils. Okay, now other thing is there, mobile phone towers are also utilized, bridges, buildings, then tanks, the bodies of vehicles, they are also made by the iron. That means iron is widely used in many industries, just like making the pipes, tanks, furniture, utensils, bridges, buildings, bodies of the vehicles and cylinder, most of the things. Okay, now let us discuss about the other metal, and that metal is also very important, copper. If anyone is going to discuss about the copper, so one use everyone is knowing that it is used for making the electric wire. So let us see whatever the property of copper. Copper की property क्या होती हैं? तो if we are going toward the color, so it is reddish and brown metal. Okay, it is having the good it is a good conductor of heat and electricity, and it is also used for making the alloy. Okay, now let us see the property of the copper. So one property, as I discussed here, that is used for making electrical wire. Nowadays everyone is saying use the copper utensils, so it is also used for making the utensils, the copper jug, the copper bucket, copper plates and everything. It is also used for making the coins. Okay, now some electronic devices, and copper is also well known for utilizing of the ज्वेलरी. इसका ज्वेलरी में भी यूटिलाइजेशन होता है. ठीक, ओके. नाउ नॉर्मली जो आजकल जो कार आ रही हैं, दैट कार कंटेन्स 1.5 किलोमीटर ऑफ कॉपर वायर ऑन एन एवरेज. ओके, that means copper is a very important metal which is utilized for making the various things, and that is also utilized in the everyday in your daily life. One more use of copper in you are also heard about the Statue of Liberty. ठीक है, so in Statue of Liberty 80 tons of copper sheet have been used. वहाँ पर 80 ton of copper sheet का utilize किया गया for making the Statue of Liberty. Okay, now let us see the use of aluminium. Now aluminium, it is also a very important metal. अभी तक मैंने बताया आयरन जो होता है ग्रे एंड ब्लैक में होता है, कॉपर रेड एंड ब्राउन में होता है. तो एल्यूमिनियम के कलर की बात करेंगे, सो इट इज़ सिल्वर, वाइट एंड ग्रे इन कलर. एंड इट इज़ हाईली मैलिएबल एंड डक्टाइल, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैलिएबल और डक्टाइल होता है, विच इज़ द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मेटल, आप सबको पता है, ठीक है। इट इज़ मोस्टली फाउंड इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट, अर्थ क्रस्ट में एल्यूमिनियम का बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट प्रेजेंट होता है, ओके। नाउ अब इनका यूटिलाइजेशन कहाँ होता है? सो इट इज़ अगेन इट इज़ यूज फॉर मेकिंग द इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर, वर्ल्ड वाइड यूज इट इज़ फॉर इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर। एंड वाई इट इज़ यूज? बिकॉज इट इज़ चीपर देन द कॉपर, कॉपर से सस्ता होता है। इट इज़ यूज फॉर मेकिंग द यूटेंसिल्स, the cooker and other things are also made up of the copper, cooker and kadhai. It is also used for cans. It is also used for making the window panels and window frames. Okay, now this aluminium, it is also utilized for just making the packing material. Okay, now let us see the another metal which is also very important, just like the lead. So lead की अगर हम कलर की बात करेंगे तो it is also silver and grey in color. It is heavy and highly malleable, and one more property, it is just highly corrosion resistant. ये corrosion से क्या करता है? resist करता है। अब अगर हम इनकी importance की बात करेंगे, इनके uses की बात करेंगे तो lead is very very utilized because it is used in batteries, it is used in storage batteries. That is why it is very very important. It is used for making the bullets. Okay, one more thing, it is used for making the shotgun pellets. Okay, another thing is there, it is also used for ballast in the sailboat. Okay, and it is also used for covering the cable wire. So that means the number of utilization of the lead metal also. It is also used in the nuclear reactors circuit. Okay, that means the lead is widely utilized for making the different things. Okay, now discuss some costly metals like gold and the silver. So let us see about the gold. And if we are going towards the color of the gold, so you all are knowing it is the yellow and soft in metal and most ductile metal. ठीक है, क्योंकि 1 ग्राम ऑफ गोल्ड कैन बी स्ट्रेच इनटू अ वायर नियरली 2.5 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग. दैट मीन्स 1 ग्राम गोल्ड का आप कम से कम 2.5 किलोमीटर लंबा वायर बना सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स इट इज़ हाईली ductile. Now if we are going toward the uses of the gold, so you all are knowing about the gold is widely used for making the ornaments, jewelry. Another use of also there, that it is used for making the cavity filling. That means it is also used for the dental item like cavity filling. It also used for crowns and bridges. It also used for making the coins. Now if we are going to discuss about the purity of the gold, so purity of gold is expressed in the carat. It is carat, not carat. 24 carat is the pure gold, which is very soft. 24 कैरेट इज़ द प्योर गोल्ड, और ये इतना सॉफ्ट होता है सो दैट इट कैन नॉट बी यूटिलाइज फॉर मेकिंग द ज्वेलरी. इसीलिए मोस्टली 22 कैरेट्स ऑफ गोल्ड एंड 2 पार्ट्स ऑफ सिल्वर और कॉपर इज़ यूटिलाइज फॉर मेकिंग द ज्वेलरी. जो नॉर्मली हम ज्वेलरी खरीदते हैं दैट इज़ हैविंग द 22 पार्ट्स ऑफ गोल्ड एंड 2 पार्ट्स ऑफ कॉपर एंड एल्यूमिनियम, सो दैट इट कैन यूटिलाइज फॉर मेकिंग द ज्वेलरी. Okay, now let us discuss one liquid metal like mercury. Okay, so mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature and it is also known as quicksilver because it is silver and white in color. It is very, very poor conductor. It is also highly poisonous. It is also highly poisonous. Now, where this mercury is utilized, it is highly poisonous. It is used for making the thermometer, clinical thermometer, and this mercury, it is also used for making the fluorescent lamp. It is also used for making the amalgam for the dental treatment. Okay, now that means some uses of metals I had discussed over here, and you just watch the video, and once you can also read the book, so it is clear to all of you. Now other topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye and thank you.